Oh, so look, it's a flywheel.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so because I thought obviously diesel is a low revving engine, but it gives out big torque, so you could technically run a larger propeller to pull that extra like mass of the propeller. It's amazing the different tail designs. Obviously they're all different designs, the whole thing, but
Beagle Pup, probably the last greatest British aeroplane, really.
so these are corrugated, the ailerons are corrugated, but they're not, they're just pinched together. Need to stay out of the way.
So from this Scottish Aviation developed the Bulldog, which is the standard our airplane trainer for over 25 years.
Yeah.
But, yeah, you've got pups in 2-seat and 4-seat config, and then you've got C42. It's another microlight.
So yeah, see now this is another like it's canvas, like a bag, isn't it?
Yeah. Very, very popular training airplanes.
Is that because they're light and easily manageable?
But it's got a stick in the middle and the throttle is between your legs.
Oh yeah.
Most of them have ballistic parachutes.
Really?
So if it all goes wrong, down you come,
Yeah, these canvas wings, these canvas covers just look amazing to me, to be fair. Yeah, canvas. There's that RV you were saying about. That's one who is bouncing. And they're quick. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, eel, I got it, yeah, so pink nose, eel, and then the donkey tail. Yeah, that's actually quite funny. Try not to take my head off. That's a pretty one, polished aluminium.
That's Cessna 120.
Cessna 120.
Oh, I've been into the list. Yeah.
I like he's got his nav mats in the window, maps. Beautiful. That must be warm. Yeah. Lovely, lovely. Right, we're going to look at the back ones now.